Merry Christmas, everybody, and welcome back to the Fabulous 95. And today we are going to be taking a look at some new 2021 diecast. Here comes, Christmas Cruisin' Ramone and Holiday Hotshot Lightning Mcqueen. Now, they're not brand new for 2021 because these cars have been released before, but they've been re-released and they're highly anticipated. Unlike the Easter Buggy, the Easter Buggy is not brand new, but it's being re-released. There's a lot of good cars coming in 2021. But let's get looking at this. You see the nice new packaging art, which, as you see from the Blue Desert Mater I have right there, and the Random God Valkyrie layer, because I like base too. You see that they have changed a lot. Also, the little cards down here have changed. So you see Lightning Mcqueen, white wheel tires, and a green lightning bolt. Ramone, green and red paint job. On the back, and also, yeah, I forgot to mention, they now say metal on the top for absolutely no reason. On the back, now, this is something I find is really cool. They now group them by what movies they were in, but Mcqueen and Ramone were never in the movie. Yeah, because that makes sense. Also, the DW, the Darryl Wall trip, Darryl car trip. I gotta stop thinking about NASCAR. Darryl Wall car trip now is in Cars, but it really could have been grouped in the Cars 3, 1, 2, but doesn't matter. We also got a lot of good cars here. We got Lizzie, Flo, and Sarge have been re-released so many times. Lizzie, though, is a new one. Alex, I forgot his last name. And yeah, so let's get these cars on by. So one thing I'm immediately noticing with the Lightning Mcqueen is that they use the exact same paint and wheels that they did used for the Cruiser. Where are you going? Cruising Lightning Mcqueen. Now, I'm a big fan of that because I bought the Radiator Springs Classic Lightning Mcqueen, the Radiator Springs one, and they've changed up the formula now, and now they are metallic, but the first ones were not. But these look amazing. And also, I have I have one of the original Christmas Lightning McQueen, so I'll be back in a second. And here it is, the Lightning McQueen with shovel and the big tires. And these look so shakingly similar. It's amazing. Also, this review is not on Christmas or even in the month of December. I have made this on November 27th, which was Black Friday, which is when I found the 2021 single case A. Not all of case A. It was a really good haul, but it looks like some of the better ones were picked, but I got some good ones too. Anyway, this is the McQueen, and it looks great. Now, let's go to the Ramone. The Ramone is your typical Ramone, besides the fact that it's got the green and red paint job. And it looks amazing. We've got the normal purple Ramone right here. And these two, this Ramone's amazing. Cannot wait until you see him in, actually, why wait when it's already up? Smashville Saga, I think 6 it is now. Dang, I've done 6 of these. Maybe even more. Well, Smashville Saga 6 is now, wait. I am so confused. Is it 6 or 7? Okay. Well, you've seen it. But the new Smashville Saga is up, and these both are in it, as I bet a lot of you can tell. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Leave a comment. Let me know how your Christmas was, and if you got any cars, because I'm curious. And I will see you guys next time.